Hello, my dear students. Welcome to your computer class. It's part 2 of Introduction to Windows 7. In previous class, we already discussed about computer operating systems like Windows 7. In this class, we'll discuss about mobile operating systems. Mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets also need an operating system to work. कंप्यूटर की तरह मोबाइल को भी एक ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम की ज़रूरत है. The operating system for such devices are specially designed. Two popular mobile operating systems are Android and iOS. Android is the world's most popular operating system used on smartphones and tablets. It was developed by Google. Andrew E. Rubin was the person who founded Android operating system in October 2003. ओके, एंड्रॉयड को गूगल के द्वारा डेवलप किया गया है. उसका फाउंडर है एंड्रॉयड ई रॉबिन. iOS is another popular mobile operating system that was developed by Apple Inc. It is specially designed to run on all Apple smartphones like iPhones and Apple tablets, जिसको iPad भी कहते हैं. Apple iPhone was the first smartphone to provide GUI. It was developed by Steve Jobs, who was the co-founder and chairman of Apple Inc. It's time for exercises. Question number 2. Match the related options. A. Icons. Small pictures on the desktop. A is I. Then B. Android and iOS. It's mobile operating systems, IB. Then C. Wallpaper. A picture that appears on the desktop behind all its icons, I. Then D. Screensaver. Appears if computer is left idle for some time. Then MS Windows. It's I, an operating system designed to run on desktop computers. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. A. Dash was the first smartphone to provide GUI. It's Apple iPhone. Then B. Microsoft Windows is a dash-based operating system. It's GUI. C. Dash let you create short text notes which are displayed on the desktop. It's sticky notes. Then D. Arranging the icons on the desktop in a specific order is called dash. It's sorting. Then E. The desktop icons are also called dash. It's also called shortcuts. Question number 4. Circle the correct option. For A, which of the following is a desktop computer operating system? Options are I. Google Android, Apple iOS, III Microsoft Windows. यहाँ पे बात हो रही है कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम की, तो आंसर विल बी III Microsoft Windows. Then for B, Microsoft released Windows 7 in 2012, 2013, 2009. It's III 2009. Then for C, in Windows 7, the first screen that appears after the booting process is completed is its II desktop. Then D, which of the following is not present on the Windows 7 taskbar? I, task view button, start button, III show desktop button. Which of the following is not present? It's task view button. Then for E, iOS operating system was developed by options Apple Inc., Microsoft, Google. It's I, Apple Inc. Then question number 5, put a tick for the correct statements and a cross for the wrong ones. 5A, you can add as many gadgets to the desktop as you want. It's right. Then B, you can clear the calculation on the calculator by pressing the S key. It's also right. Put tick for it. Then C, notification area is on the left side of the taskbar. It's wrong. It's right side of the taskbar. Then D, Android operating system was created by Google. It's right. Then 5P, desktop icons can't be moved. It's wrong. It can be moved. Okay.